Hello, my family members, aspiring tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled to bring you some exciting news today that's bound to kickstart your career in the tech world. In this video, we will be dividing into the latest off-campus drive by IBM for the year 2023. Yes. So, if you are ready to learn about an incredible job opportunity with a whopping 8 LPA package, stick around. Before we jump into the details, let's give you a quick overview of what this off-campus drive by IBM is all about. IBM, a global tech giant, is on the hunt for fresher talents from both bachelor's and master's backgrounds. If you are an eager graduate looking to embark on a rewarding career journey, this could be your golden ticket, right? Okay, let's talk about eligibility criteria. The doors are open to all bachelor's and master's degree holders. Yes, you heard that right. No matter your area of expertise, your interests, whether it's computer science, civil, or mechanical, blah blah blah, you are eligible to apply. This drive is all about inclusivity and embracing diverse skill sets. Just you need prerequisite on JavaScript. Before telling you the job role, let's talk about the package first. IBM is not holding back when it comes to recognizing your talents, right? The selected candidates will be offered a handsome package of 8 LPA. This is a fantastic opportunity to not only kickstart your career but also secure a rewarding financial future, right? So, what is the job role? The job role is full stack developer, right? Okay, then how to apply? Obviously, these questions arise in your mind, right? So let's go to the process. Guys, this link is given in the description box, or you can directly search for IBM Career, right? And you can find the job role full stack developer in Bangalore, Karnataka, right? So how to apply and what are the responsibilities you will have. Design, develop, or re-engineer complex application components, debugging, detecting faults, and reporting, fixing, right? So this type of actually responsibilities you will have in the company after your recruitment. So how to apply? So how to apply? Click on the apply button, and you will be okay there. Here it is saying to join the community network, but it is not necessary. Directly you can click on the no thanks, directly click to apply, right? Okay, just from this link, I will give this link as well, right? There will be two link will be given in the description box. One will be of the home page of career, and one will be the page in which you will be redirected, like so. Yes, apply to job. Sign up into the IBM career portal if you have not account, then, or if you have account, then sign in and apply for the job role. Give your resume and some details, then you will be okay. And don't forget to give your skills and expertise, right? If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might be interested, right? And of course, if you have not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to TechnoU for more career insights, tech updates, and much more. So that's all from my side today. Thank you.